we're going skydiving. So we essentially woke up this morning and we're like, let's go to San Diego, but we didn't exactly know what we were gonna do in San Diego. And then we booked skydiving because we are psychotic. We are signing our life away, Rachel. All right, we're doing this. We just signed our lives away. Gotta put my phone and everything in the car, but bought the video package, so hopefully that will be good. Let's go fly, Rachel!
Hello! What do we got here?
Come on, guys. Walk, I'm gonna follow. I'm gonna caboose.
What do we got going on today, Mike?
So today, we were gonna go paragliding in Torrey Pines. Couldn't because of the wind, so then we were like, let's go skydiving.
I like where your style's at. Are you ready for this?
Yeah,
All right.
ready.
Well, hey guys. Anything you want to say to the friends and family back home?
Well, I didn't tell anyone really I was doing this, so my family has no idea. Hopefully all goes well, but if not,
Whew.
love you guys.
Right on, right on.
This is post us skydiving. I don't even know what to say. That whole experience was honestly pretty terrifying. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I think I need like a day or two to recoup and understand exactly what even happened. Okay, Rachel, tell me about your skydiving experience. Like I was first to go out in the plane, and Rachel was next. So you literally watched me like go to my death.
Yeah, that was probably the scariest part, like watching Michael go down to his death.
Were you like, no, I don't want to do this anymore, or?
I was pretty freaked out, but you know, at that point you have no choice. You just have to go.
I'm glad I went first, honestly. That's why I chose to go first, because I knew if I watched you go out the plane, I was like, I can't do this. I think, so my video came out pretty bad, and the reason being is because I was suffocating basically the entire free fall and couldn't like look at the camera because I was trying to grasp for air and breathe.
Yeah, my eyes were closed the whole time though, because I couldn't get myself to like look.
That was insane. I don't know if I recommend it yet, just off the sense of how scary it was at the time, but I feel like if I did it a second time, I would enjoy it a lot more. What do you say we go again?
Maybe next weekend.
Chill with it! Chill with that! Next weekend! I did get a cut as I landed. I don't even know how that happened. Like I said, I was pretty much blacked out the entire time. I mean, the thing is your body is like in survival mode, right? So as you're falling, your body's preparing for you to die. At least that's what I think right now. I thought the worst part, I mean, I don't even know what the worst part is, or the best part. Maybe I'm talking it down a little bit because it was like insane and it was crazy and I'm so glad I did it. But like, we literally went up in the smallest plane and he kept the door open the entire time. So you're going up 10,000 feet just with the door casually open in the plane.
But are you happy you did it?
I'm happy I did it. That was a bucket list for me for so long. And I especially wanted to do it in California. So it like all came together. What about you, Rachel? Are you crossing it off your bucket list?
And I might do it again. I was
I need... I need to think about it a little bit more, but I do think the second time would be a lot better. We also just got amazing burritos at, what was it called? Mike's Burritos? Mike's Taco Shop. San Diego has the best Mexican food. So now, although it's a gloomy, cloudy day, welcome May Gray and June gloom, we're gonna go check out the sea lions. Yeah. You cannot come to San Diego without going to La Jolla. I don't know why we're experiencing such a cloudy day here in San Diego, because usually it's really sunny. Maybe we did die, Rachel, skydiving, and now we're in like an alt universe where San Diego is never sunny. It smells like actual bird shit. It's like, get the F away from me. When I was in San Diego once before, I almost stepped on a sea lion and it barked at me. Yeah. So don't get too close. Shit.